How to get the max heap in Python. I use heap module in Python. I find I only can the minute heap, even if I use reverse equals true. I still get the minute top heap. I still get the result. I want to get result. How to do it? Which is the smallest element? I want pop the largest element. PS, this is part of question find the max and then divide into several elements and then put it back to the heap.
The documentation says, our pop method returns the smallest item, not the largest, called a min heap in textbooks. A max heap is more common in texts because of its suitability for in-place sorting. So you cannot get a max heap directly. However, one way to get it indirectly is to push the negative of the item on the heap, then take the negative again just after you pop the item. So instead of heap push h 200, 1, you execute heap push h minus 200, minus 1. And to pop and print the max item, execute. There are other ways to get the same effect, depending on what exactly you are storing in the heap. Note that trying h-1 in a min heap does not work to find the max item. The heap definition does not guarantee the max item will end up at the end of the list. Largest should work but has time complexity of O log n to just examine the largest item in a min heap, which defeats the purpose of the heap. My way has time complexity O1 in the negative heap to examine the largest item.
Why not use a priority queue object? You can store priority key tuples. One easy solution to make a max heap would be to make priority be the opposite of key.
If you also want to channel, click the link and subscribe.